Hello, today we will be reviewing the instructions for use for the MQ algae lyse by MBio Diagnostics. The MQ algae lyse is designed to lyse cyanobacteria in raw or natural freshwater samples. The kit that you have received will include the following components: the MQ algae lyse device, sample lysis jars provided in the starter kit, packets of lysis beads provided in the refill kit, whisk heads provided in the starter kit, and disposable pipettes provided in the refill kit. First, collect at least 5 milliliters of a freshwater sample. Next, gather a packet of lysis beads and a sample lysis jar. Using the pull tab on the side of the lysis bead packet, open and then pour the lysis beads into your lysis jar. Next, gather your freshwater sample in one of the provided 5 milliliter pipettes. Using the pipette, transfer 5 milliliters of your freshwater sample to the lysis jar filled with lysis beads. Slide the motor head of the MQ algae lyse to the up position. You can do so by pushing in the pin on the motor head and pulling directly up. Next, insert the whisk head into the motor head of the MQ algae lyse device. Make sure to fully insert the whisk. A partially inserted whisk will not be flush to the motor head. To resolve this issue, turn the whisk head relative to the motor head until you hear this noise. Insert the sample lysis jar containing your sample into the base. Then slide the motor head into the down position. You may do so by pushing in the pin on the motor head and pushing straight down. Ensure that you do not drop the motor head while moving it into the down position. You may now press the button on the motor head to begin the lysing process. The lysing process will take 10 minutes, and you can check its progress by the light situated on top of the motor head. Note that the motor head must be in the down position or else the device will not begin to lyse. Under normal operations, whisks may rattle for up to 20 seconds before setting into a smooth, quiet operation like so. Stop the lysis unit and rotate the whisk to a new position and try again if the rattling persists and sounds like. If at any point during operation, the light labeled low battery flashes an orange light, this signifies that the machine has low battery. If the low battery light is a solid orange instead of a flashing orange, then the batteries are completely out of charge. Remove the batteries from the machine and insert them into the provided battery charger until a full charge is obtained. At the end of the lysing process, the motor will shut off automatically and the lights will blink from the outside to the inside. Slide the motor head of the MQ algae lyse to the up position. Allow the whisk to stop spinning before lifting the motor head. Remove your sample lysis jar before removing the whisk. Remove the whisk by pulling down on the black section of the whisk head. Using the pipette provided, transfer 100 microliters of your lyse sample into the pellet tubes provided with the cartridges. Ensure that you are pulling only sample and no lysis beads. Remember to mix the solution with the pipette before transferring to your cartridge. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the lysing procedure. Before running the procedure again, clean your whisk head and sample lysis jars using the following procedure. You will need your dirty lysis jars filled with a 10% bleach solution, as well as your dirty whisk heads. For complete clean, place the whisk head into the lysis jar filled with bleach solution, oriented so only the whisk is submerged in the bleach solution. Allow these to soak in the bleach for at least an hour before removing. Rinse both items with dry water 6 times inside and out before transferring to a clean location to dry. Now that you know how to lyse a sample, you can measure the lysate by following the directions for MBio's HAB toxin system. There is a video available on our YouTube that describes the use of this test. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you may contact MBio at 303-952-2905 or email us at algae@mbiodx.com.